Good day guys, welcome. In this video I'm showing you how to set an alarm on your Android phone. So guys, also be sure to understand that depending on your launcher of your phone and depending on your brand and the phone model, you might have a different interface. So for example, in my case, I don't have a clean pure Android. It's actually a specific firmware that is built on top of Android, so it's not the original. But anyway, you might just have a slightly different interface. But in my case, the way I do it is I just click on a time, as you can see on the top left, right here. And in here, guys, as you can see, I can set my alarm. So in here, in this first screen, we can just press on the plus button. And in here, guys, you have your settings. So you choose the ringtone, firstly, that you wish to be playing back when your alarm goes off. So I go here and, for example, choose another alarm if I want to. Also, I can add my own ringtone if I so desire. So I go here, for example, and then I go choose local ringtone. So if you want to set your own, you can do that. And then if we go back, then we can set a repeat. If it should be repeating on a particular day, on maybe every day as well, if you wish. Then vibrate if you wish your phone to be vibrating when it goes off. And if you want to just make it a one-time alarm, you can just set it to delete itself after it goes off. And also in the label is pretty much going to be what kind of activity you're doing. For example, let's say work, right? So you just type in work, and when the alarm plays, you will see the text that, it's work time or something. And of course, you set the time, AM or PM, for example, in here, and the corresponding time in here that you wish. And after that, you just press on the check mark on the top right like this. And now your alarm is set. As you can see, we have, wait, let me see, where is it? There you go, work. And if you don't need it anymore, you can just delete it like this. So that's pretty much how this is done. Enjoy, guys. If this helped you out, like and subscribe. See you next.